Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Crystal and this is Hookthatyarn. Today I wanted to do an update on what I've been working on. I have a few patterns that or a few videos I should say, I've been editing, and I just wanted to update you guys and show you what I've been working on. Okay, so the first thing, I just get so excited and start new projects. So this is me finishing something. I don't know if you guys do that. You struggle with finishing things. This video is edited and done. I embroidered this face. I'm not going to tell you who this is. If you see it, I don't have enough followers or subscribers to gamble on this. This is Pebbles from the Flintstones. I have like 2 followers or subscribers. I don't know what's happening. Maybe it's because I don't post anything. But anyways, it'll be in the video linked. Another thing I'm working on. How many projects do you guys have going on? That's totally a question I have, because I have so many going on at one time. That's my problem. That's my problem. I've been working on this shirt. On this handkerchief. I actually have the pattern for it done. I just need to photograph. Anyways, my shirt's gonna hold my microphone like a third boobie. I have been working on the pattern for these ducklings, these ducks. It's like a rubber ducky situation, but they have little booties. Cute little ducks. I love them. I'll show you how many I've made. So I have these 2 made, and then I have this one. Look at these little eyeballs. I have this whole bag full of ducks. So there's 10 in this bag. They got smushed it. Smushed it's not a word. I have kids, so twins. Okay, what's up with her little face? There you go. So all of these ducks, they all look different. They all have their own little traits. I feel like they all have their little personalities. And the little duck feet. I didn't put duck feet on the other ones. But, so yeah, this is what I've been working on. And, like, her face is thinner than their face. See, like, little bow pattern right there. I have a tutorial ready for that too. I just need to edit all my videos. You know, it takes... Let me take this out of here. It's probably all like... So yeah. These little ducks, I have been working on them as well. I wonder if I could balance this here. No. I will have the written pattern for them available. If you want to know how to make these, then stay tuned to when I post these videos. I'm probably going to post the little... Look at this little bow. So cute. Sorry, I get a little weird one. Look at this. I made this to be a little mat to go under the ducks because I'm going to be packaging these guys. These girls. They're girls. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I made this mat using the tripling method of yarn. It's just a double crochet with the increases, the way you do a, circular crocheting. I almost said knitting.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
I also did a tutorial on how to triple up yarn. There's so many videos out there anyways, but I did one. I don't think I can edit out this awkwardness. Yeah, bye. My name is Crystal. This is my channel. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal, and kawaii. This is her face. Little face. Ooh, little face.